Kamala Harris is the Vice President of the United States, making history as the first woman, first black woman, and first person of South Asian descent to hold the office. Here's a brief overview of her background, early life, and education. Born October 20, 1964, in Oakland, California. Parents, Shyamala Gopalan, a breast cancer scientist from India, and Donald Harris, an economist from Jamaica. Education: undergraduate degree from Howard University, a historically black university in Washington, D.C. Law degree from the University of California, Hastings College of the Law. Career in law and politics. Early career: worked as a deputy district attorney in Alameda County, California, focusing on prosecuting cases of gang violence, drug trafficking, and sexual abuse. San Francisco District Attorney, elected in 2003, serving until 2011. Known for creating a reentry program for nonviolent offenders and for tackling truancy, California Attorney General, elected in 2010 and re-elected in 2014, becoming the first woman and the first African American to hold the position. Her tenure included significant work on consumer protection, criminal justice reform, and marriage equality. U.S. Senate elected, 2016, representing California. Notable work: served on the Judiciary Committee, the Intelligence Committee, and the Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs Committee. Gained a national profile for her sharp questioning during Senate hearings. Vice Presidency 2020 election, selected by Joe Biden as his running mate. They won the election, defeating the incumbent President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence. Historic firsts: first female vice president, first black vice president, first South Asian vice president. Personal life: marriage, married to Douglas Emhoff, an attorney, in 2014. Emhoff is the first second gentleman of the United States. Publications: authored several books, including The Truths We Hold, An American Journey. Kamala Harris has been a trailblazer in many aspects of her career, breaking barriers and setting precedents in American politics. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon.